In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, I have said that the foundation has been laid. We invested in infrastructure, equipment, and programs to expand and improve the health sector. We gave you PROMAC that saw the training of over 1,000 health workers and specialized ambulances. Under PROMAC, there will be 11 high dependency units for our people. We gave you centers of excellence. We gave you a cardiac center. We left state-of-the-art equipment there for you. We left you the blueprint for health financing. We gave you a formula to ensure that mother-to-child transmission of HIV was zero. We gave you a platform for a progressive mental health program in Jamaica. We gave you a united, happy, and dedicated professional cadre at the Ministry of Health in a solid state of industrial calm. Industrial calm. We gave you a strategic plan for 2013-2018 to manage NCDs. We left you the foundation for health. We have given you the foundation on which to build a first-class quality healthcare system. There is no need to reinvent the wheel. The opposition will continue to support any progressive policy that will bring quality healthcare to the people of Jamaica. We remain resolute in our mission to build a Jamaica that works for all, not just a few, but for all at all times. God bless Jamaica. God bless the Lord we love.